Good morning, class. Today we are going to start the next part of the Himalayas. We will continue that, but before that, I will just give you the one review of the starting of the Himalaya. In the last topic, we have discussed about the northern Himalaya, in which we have discussed that there are the three ranges of the Himalaya, that is the Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, and the Lesser Himalaya. So now this is the extension of the Himalaya from the north west to east. Now we will discuss about the extension of Himalaya in the eastern part of your India. Beside the longitudinal division, the Himalaya have been divided on the basis of the regions from the west to east. In the last topic, I have sent you the map. You can see once again that this is the west to east. This is the extension of the Himalaya from the west to east. We will see this is a brown dotted line. This is the mountain. Is it clear? So we will discuss about this eastern range of the Himalaya. So these division have been demarcated by the river valleys. बहुत सारी rivers होती हैं जो आपको हिमालयाज़ को अलग अलग पार्ट में डिवाइड कर देती हैं. For example, part of Himalaya lying between the Indus and the Satluj has been traditionally known as the Punjab Himalaya. So you can see there the part of the Himalaya between the Indus, this is the Indus river, and the Satluj river. इसके बीच का जो ये पार्ट है, दिस पार्ट इज़ नोन एज द पंजाब हिमालय. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? पंजाब हिमालय. द नेक्स्ट इज it is locally known as the Kashmir or a Himachal Himalaya from the west to east respectively. The part of the Himalaya lying in the Satluj and Kali river. So the part lying between the Satluj, this is the Satluj river, and the Kali river, Satluj river, this one is the Satluj river and the Kali river. इसके बीच का जो ये पार्ट आएगा आपका, this is known as the Kumaon Himalaya. What we call it? Kumaon Himalaya. I have written over there. This is Punjab Himalaya and this is your Kumaon Himalaya. And the next is the Kali and the Tista rivers lying between the Kali and the Tista rivers demarcate the Nepal Himalaya, and the part lying between the Tista and Dehang river, it is known as the Assam Himalaya. So you can see there, this is the Nepal Himalaya and this is your Assam Himalaya. So in the eastern part of your country, the Himalayas are demarcated by the river valleys. So it was divided into four parts. One is the Punjab Himalaya, Kumaon Himalaya, Nepal Himalaya and Assam Himalaya. In this you have to learn the names because वो name देगा आपको rivers के, उसके according वो आपसे पूछेगा that which Himalaya lies between these two rivers. Now they all Himalayas are known by different name in a particular region. अलग अलग नाम से उसको local name से इसको जाना जाता है. The Brahmaputra mark the easternmost boundary of the Himalaya. Brahmaputra river that is in the eastern part of your country. This is the Brahmaputra river. You can see there in the eastern part ये आपकी boundary बनाती है. So this is your Brahmaputra river, easternmost boundary of the Himalaya. Beyond the Dehang Gorge, you know what is the gorge? जो पहाड़ों को काट कर नदी जब वहाँ से बीच में से निकलती है, वो जो बीच में से निकलने वाला रास्ता बनाती है वो अपना, that is known as the gorge. The Himalaya bends sharply to the south and spread along the eastern boundary of the India. Eastern boundary में जाके वो spread हो जाता है आपका हिमालय. You can see there like that. This is and this. तो ये ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर दोनों आपके देखो पहाड़ हिमालयाज़ के बीच में से निकल रही है. तो ये इसने यहाँ गॉर्ज बनाया. दिस गॉर्ज इज़ नोन एज अ देहांग, जिसे हम देहांग बोलते हैं. तो ये आपका हिमालयाज़ का साउथवर्ड में एक्सटेंशन हो जाता है. यहाँ से इसका ये यू टर्न ले लेता है. सो जो गॉर्ज है ये आपका यू शेप का गॉर्ज बन जाता है. सो दिस इज़ सो दे आर नोन एज अ पूर्वांचल. पूर्वांचल मीन्स पूर्वा मतलब पूर्व, ईस्टर्न पार्ट. आंचल मीन्स लाइक अ दुपट्टा. सो इस जगह पे जो आपके हिमालयाज है इट इज़ स्प्रेड लाइक द आंचल. सो वी कॉल इट द पूर्वांचल और इन इंग्लिश वी कैन यूज द टर्म ईस्टर्न हिल्स और द माउंटेन. These hills running through the northern eastern state, सेवन सिस्टर्स जो आपकी हैं असम, मेघालय, मणिपुर, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, मिज़ोरम, त्रिपुरा, दीज आर. सो इन सेवन सिस्टर्स के पूरे उसमें आपका हिमालय ये फैला हुआ है. एंड मोस्टली कंपोज ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग सैंडस्टोन विच आर द सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स. ये सेडिमेंट्री रॉक से बना है. कवर्ड विद dense forest. The mostly run as parallel ranges. You can see there parallel ranges 1 2, 3. These are the parallel ranges जो आपके ईस्टर्न हिमालय में स्प्रेड हैं. द पूर्वांचल कंप्राइजेज, कौन कौन से हिल्स आते हैं पूर्वांचल में? पटकाई हिल्स, द नागा हिल्स, मणिपुर हिल्स एंड द मीज़ो हिल्स. सो दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. ईस्टर्न हिमालय का एक्सपेंशन आपसे पूछेगा. सो यू हैव टू राइट these names of the hills. Patkai hills in the eastern, Naga hills, Manipur hills and the Mizo hill. So this is all about the Himalaya, and you will just point out all the main points, and then later on I will give you the question answers related to the eastern Himalaya. Thank you.